Hello, everyone. Morris, and welcome to Things Invest. Talk about investing, finance, fresh development for today's terms only. So, for today's video, is going to be a little bit more conceptual again, right? I just want to express my thought around a topic that has been percolating for quite some time now, and it's something that I've observed over time, and I just want to talk it out a little bit. So the topic is really revolving around the YouTube community that focuses on finance, investments. It could be for cryptocurrencies, it could be for stocks, and etc. etc. I want to talk about the mindset and the incentives behind these YouTube content creator, like including myself. Like, why are these people, spending their time on, putting these videos out, right? And I think my high level understanding is basically a bifurcation of two types of people, right? So ones there are the ones that are they're doing it because it's a good side hustle, it's a good side revenue generation. They make money from AdSense, obviously, right? And also at the same time, they have some market influence once they have a certain amount of followers and subscribers that they could, propel by hyping or pumping a respective cryptocurrencies or a stock that they're looking to, right? And then the other side of the spectrum would be the ones that are, genuinely want to connect with people, on the channel, right? They have built a relatively good amount of experience so far. They have built, a relatively good amount of assets personally, but they're missing a big part of their life that they want to be giving back, right? They are looking to cultivate a community of people by doing these by basically financially educating people around the world, so they can all subsequently get to the financial goals and the financial freedom that we all seeking, right? So that's like the two types of the spectrum, right? So one is more like the survival type of grinding, making money. The other side is more like self-actualization in a more of a psychological perspective, obviously, right? So um I've been getting, obviously experience, from my viewers so far. Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? I think, it's important that people do their own research, right? They do their own due diligence on their respective investment opportunity that they're looking for, and not just purely listen to someone on YouTube, right? On what they're telling you, you know, because ultimately people have their own certain bias, their own incentive behind what they're doing, right? We always have to read between the lines, try to detect the substantiveness behind their verbiage and their research and the analysis. We have to watch what they say, but verify their actions at the same time. You cannot just blindly listen to somebody, because it's a yes or is it because of a no. Life is never binary, and investments especially, despite there's a binary factor about it, like is it buying or selling, is it a call or put option, but in terms of formalizing your investment thesis is never that binary, right? And I don't want you guys to be fall into the traps, of just like listening to somebody and subsequently lose all your money from there. Or secondly, just blindly listen to somebody and lose money because you being lazy. I think investment is a form of stimulating your curiosity. At the same time, you incentivize yourself to educate yourself about a specific topic. And as you learn more, you slowly become a subject matter expert in a respective commodity, an asset, or a stock, if you may, that you become more fluid and more fluent at the same time with respect to the specific financial language that you're learning, right? So that's all I really want to express myself today. Definitely be careful when you are listening on YouTube. Um, when you listen or follow somebody or subscribe to the channel, definitely try to understand their incentives, the substantiveness behind their research, and you know why not try to understand and formalize, like, why is this person doing what he's doing, why is he doing this so aggressively, right? You could even question me, like, why I'm doing what I'm doing, right? So but hopefully this is helpful. And this is just a quick thought that I want to express before I head out to my bike ride. But appreciate you and stay tuned for us coming up. Take care. Bye.